Before you get too far away with coding, your code is useful to get in the habit of to write away using comments. Comments are a way of documenting your code by adding a hashtag at the beginning of the line of code. And once you add this hashtag in front of the line, it turns into a comment, which means when the code runs, it does absolutely nothing. Like once you put the hashtag in front of the line, you're actually making the line paralyzed, which means it's not capable of running. It becomes like invisible. It's actually there for you as a programmer to remember what your code does. Or if someone else is reading your code, you could help understand what your code does. Commenting can help find where exactly the problem is with your code. So getting into the habit of commenting quickly, that's the best advice we can give you.
So if we check in the code, comments start with a hashtag. And once the Python sees that hashtag, it just ignores it. It's like that particular line doesn't exist. Like over here, it's written hashtag, hello, this is a comment. Then the hashtag just stops the line from executing. And it's just skipped. And the Python just moves on to the next line. So if we run it, you can see that there's one line that's just not there. And then we have the second line that's executed, resulting hello world. So if we put a hashtag in front of print hello world and run it, it wouldn't run because there's a hashtag which stops it from being executed. Hence, a comment doesn't have to be used in a text that explains the code. It can also be used to prevent Python from executing the code when you're testing it.